FastCap's PowerHead screws are some of the most versatile screws you can buy. A couple features that we have. First, we have a type 17 self-tapping point. So that means no need to pre-drill in most every application. If you're doing a really hard wood, you don't want to split the wood, of course you can pre-drill. That'll be a 1/8 inch drill bit to pre-drill for these. But the cool thing about them is with that number 8 shank, we have a number 10 thread. What that means is the distance from the shank to the thread, it's larger than any other screw you're going to get. That translates to more holding power. When you're driving it in, it's got more thread grabbing and it's pulling harder, it's sucking your pieces together harder. These come in a variety of sizes from 1.25 inch all the way up to 5 inch, and they're available in both a square and a Torx pack, and they have this huge 9/16 inch head. That's why they're called the PowerHead. What that means is there's no need for washers. You're going to get 4 times the holding power that you get with a regular 3/8 inch bugle head. That means that you can drive OSB onto a 2x4 as hard as you want and it'll hold perfectly every time. It means your cabinets are going to stay put where you hang them with PowerHeads. And that large 9/16 head is perfect for covering with a FastCap. So you just use our flush mount drill bit system and you can pre-drill, countersink it, put that screw in, cover it with a FastCap, and it'll disappear as if there's no screw when you have one of the best fasteners around holding things together. These come zinc plated. There's also some of the sizes available in a black oxide coating if you prefer black. And if you're doing a metal application, also check out our metal tapping PowerHead screws. Same head, metal tapping point, a little bit different thread. PowerHead screws from FastCap, great way to get any project done. And lengths starting at 2.5 and up, you're going to have a partially threaded shank with a partially straight to really help suck things together. Get yours today. You're going to love this product.